At first, I had a very, I had a very different idea about what Colombia was all about due to the fact that I was never here. And my first experience here, it was completely different. The hospitality is completely top. In the medical field, the nurses, the doctors, and the staff in general usually attend to you as a patient, top of the line, which make you feel at ease, comfortable, and you get a certain assurance that everything that you came for will be okay, that you will be okay even though you're going through something as difficult to deal with as cancer. If you're coming for medical procedures, first of all, you have to be patient. The procedure that you're coming to deal with takes time. The medical staff, they take their time doing different medical tests with you. So even though you're coming with a certain plan that things might be done in an X amount of time, usually it doesn't happen. So you have to have patience, you should have faith, and you should know that if a doctor explains you any medical procedure, I can guarantee, because I've already been through it, that the outcome is for 70 or 80% accurate. My doctor, I would tell him that he is in his rango, his medical field, he's professional. I always feel at ease when I'm speaking to him, and he never kind of gives you sandcastles in the air. Whatever he tells you and explains to you, it's granted that it's going to be like that. And Santa Fe de Bogota, the hospital Santa Fe de Bogota, it's ideal, it's comfortable, the medical staff helps you. Miss Carolina, that's from the international department, she gives you all the necessary information. You can always call and ask them for anything that may be bothering you or that you're in need of.